European Central Bank's monthly survey has revealed that Eurozone consumers increased their inflation expectations for the coming year and 5 years ahead. The 5-year inflation outlook also increased to 2.2%, the highest since August 2022. Consumers expect nominal income growth to reach 1.1% over the next year, but remain pessimistic about economic growth, forecasting a contraction of 1.2%. The data comes amidst ongoing debate among ECB policymakers about future interest rate moves. EU Trade Commissioner Maros Sefcovic has stated that the European Union is advancing on free trade agreements with Philippines, Thailand and Malaysia. The announcement came as the EU and Indonesia just finalized their own trade deal. The EU sees these bilateral agreements as building blocks towards a future region-to-region free trade pact with all of ASEAN.
In trade volume, more jobs, more investment and growth. To celebrate and mark 50th anniversary of dialogue with
British Prime Minister Keir Starmer has announced plans to introduce compulsory digital identification for all individuals working in the United Kingdom. The measure, which must be implemented by the end of the current parliamentary term, is intended to address illegal immigration and strengthen border controls. The Prime Minister stated the employment in the United Kingdom would be conditional on possessing a valid digital ID. The policy aims to reduce undocumented workers in the informal economy and maintain fairness in the immigration system.
For too many years, it's been too easy for people to come here, slip into the shadow economy and remain here illegally.
Italian business confidence remained largely unchanged for the fourth consecutive month in September, while consumer morale showed a slight improvement. The composite business morale index edged up marginally to 93.7, with gains in construction and services offsetting a decline in retail sentiment. Consumers' confidence rose to 96.8%, slightly above analysts' forecast. The mixed signals come as Italy's economy continues to face headwinds, having contracted by 0.1% in the second quarter. The government has already halved its 2025 growth forecast to 0.6%, reflecting uncertainty over the impact of US import tariffs. Revised data has shown that Spain's economy expanded 0.8% in the second quarter, exceeding the preliminary 0.7% estimate, with year-on-year growth revised up to 3.1%. The broad-based growth was led by manufacturing, construction and a tourism-driven services sector. Unemployment fell to 10.28%, the lowest since 2008, contrasting with the Eurozone's 0.1% overall growth. The strong performance prompted Spain to raise its 2025 growth forecast to 2.7%.